Losing important files can be a nightmare, but is preventable. I am Norbert, and this course I will teach you the simple and effective way to protect your document from theft and misuse. You will learn how you can back up your files, use encryption, and keep everything safe and organized. Let's get started. Yes, how to do it? You open your laptop and go in File Explorer, click on it. Then you go on Document. Yes, you click on document that you want to protect. Click on it. After clicking on it, you come here in File. Then get on Info. Click on it. Then after, click Protect Document. We select the Protect Document. Then select Encrypt with Password. Into Encrypt Document with Passwords. Click on it. Then we have to write the password that you want to use when we are opening this document. Let's say 25. There is some warning that are showing you. Caution: if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep the list of passwords and their corresponding document names in a safe place. Remember that passwords are case sensitive. It means in case you forgot this password, you will not get the chance to recover it. It means you have to write that password somewhere so that in case you forgot it, you will not struggle. Yes, click OK. Then after, we retype our password 25. Yes, we have to retype 25. Then click OK. It means our document is protected. Let's try to open it and see how it is. Yes, let's click on it. Yes, after clicking on it, you are see that we are requested to enter password to open the file. Yes, we have to write 25. Then OK. Yes, you see. Now you can get access on the document. Thank you guys. Remember to subscribe.